Good evening, everyone. I, Deepak Kumar Prasad, Director of Jordan's Academy Professional Study SSB. आज आप लोगों को मैं 2023 का सक्सेस अपनी कंप्लीट एक साल की जर्नी आपके साथ मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ. So 2013 has been very interesting and very challenging. The year we had a tough as well as a very interesting year. इस पूरे 2023 में हम लोगों ने 40 बंदों को डिफरेंट एंट्री के थ्रू डिफरेंट प्रोसेस में एंट्री दिलाई. जो 220 बच्चों से मैंने 40 बंदों को मैंने एनडीए में और एमए में ओटीए में डिफरेंट एंट्रीज के थ्रू हमने अकेडमीज दी. इसके साथ साथ इस साल मेरे लिए सबसे शुभ मौका ये रहा कि डिफेंस फोर्सेस के साथ डायरेक्ट डिफरेंट फॉर्मेशन के साथ मुझे काम करने का मौका मिला. पहला मौका 107 माउंटेन ब्रिगेड कमलपुर में, जहां इंडियन आर्मी का सुपर 30 प्रोजेक्ट एट गुवाहाटी एंड तेजपुर हमने कंप्लीट किया. एंड प्राउडली आई कैन से कि एनडीए में और सीडीएस में बच्चे रिकमेंड हुए, क्या बोलते हैं, बच्चे रिटर्न क्लियर किया. अनफॉर्चुनेटली एसएसबी के लिए बच्चे नहीं आ पाए बिकॉज द फॉर्मेशन हैज टू सेंड टू द नियर बाय यूनिट्स बिकॉज ऑफ देयर ओन कंसेंट. बट स्टिल I got the opportunity of being a part of the 2 more projects of Indian Army, that is at Dibrugarh and at Dungan Military Station, Project Spear and Project Darpan, which are where I have been appointed as the trainer for the SSB. And उसके बाद I got the opportunity of being training the NCC cadets of Delhi Directorate for the Super 30, and where we could get one result initially, and there are a lot of candidates who are going to through the SSB and expecting much more results. Thereafter, I got the opportunity of working with the 786 AD at Bharatpur, where we conducted the workshop for the service entry for ACC candidates, for CO, for PCSL, and also I got the opportunity of associating with the 408 AD at Mathura, where I designed a detailed detail ground for the unit, and I am very happy to associate with the 408. And I also got the opportunity to work with 106 RT at Mathura, where I conducted 2 days workshop for ACC candidates. And thereafter, one wonderful project I got from Agartala with Assam Rifles, where I conducted the 15 days program for the Assam Rifle Public School under the leadership of Assam Rifles, where हमने 15 दिन का वहाँ पे पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम किया. बच्चों को एक होलिस्टिक पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट के बारे में बताया. It was a very interesting project, and there are a lot of projects which is in the discussion. Thereafter, I got the opportunity of in this beginning of the year to shift our 2-year integrated program to Bharatpur, and hoping that this year would be more interesting and more challenging for us, and to prove our credentials to the people and serving the people, making the people wear the uniform. और आने वाले 2024 में मेरी उम्मीद है कि हम अपना वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड जो 70 का जो हमारा एक ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड था उसको हम ब्रेक करेंगे, and we will be crossing this target and sending the different cadets in different entries of the armed forces. So I'm very happy that 2023 has been wonderful and memorable, and having a very bright 2024. And my team is my written team as well as my SSB team, we are very ready to take this challenge of 2024 and make a great year ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind, Dhanyavad.